Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to paint these tulips. I'm using different colors: transparent yellow, senolia yellow light, cadmium yellow, orange, emerald green, and forest green. Please take your time to draw the tulips. The first tulip in the foreground is larger than the others, and the more you take time to define the shapes of the petals, the best you will succeed in using these colors. Here you can see that I obtained a brown with the cadmium orange and the emerald green. And with the orange, I will have a nice contrast with the green. So take your time to test different colors. When you start painting the petals, use cadmium orange and a brown to shape the petals and the flowers. Then use a yellow to paint the petals, a very light one, that you will grow in intensity while the paper is still wet. Leave some space between petals for a white reflection, like this. Here some petals are not completely painted and the white of the paper will be a shining of light. While the paper is still wet, you can add more color. So do it lightly and respect the shape of the petals. That's how you'll be able to create more depth in the flowers. Tulips are rather difficult to paint, but I love them. Now around the petals I'm adding more shade, either in cadmium orange or brown. I'm going rather slowly, not to make mistake, but if you do make a mistake, use a towel to erase it. So now the background is very important to make the tulips pop, and I'm using a mixture of intense forest green and light emerald green. I'm using my tissue to erase some mistakes. Now I'm using orange cadmium, which turns into a light brown with emerald green, to create a geometric background, which I'm very fond of, which will show off the spiraling pattern of the flowers, because it's how tulips behave in a vase. They are spiraling together as if they were sharing space. So they are not completely dead actually. They are alive and they are sharing space, and I want to show it into my painting. When it's dry, with a very small brush, I create very thin lines of colors, either a greenish or a more orangish color. I don't go into too dark shades because it ruins the effect of a bright yellow flower. And of course you're not forced to get into too many details. The important thing is that the main flower in the foreground has a very deep yellow or orange center. For the other ones, it's easier. You just have to shape the petals. Then I create more details in the leaves, and eventually I will add some reflections on the petals, a bit of shades of definition, but it's not necessary to overdo it. So at the very end, I'm using light yellow to brighten the leaves. And this will give a very happy tonality that I love. And that'll be it. So I hope you have enjoyed this and that you'll have fun painting tulips. Take care. I'm Flotte Espoir, this is my art studio. I'm launching a new series of watercolor tutorials and I hope you'll love it. And if you do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share.